May order tayo Hungarian, napaka-solid yan, no? Take out. Yeah. Okay na ya? Thank you. Embutido, sisig, extra rice. Yun.
Alam mo kanya.
Order po sila soft drinks, yan, no? Tapos na sila kumain, yan, o. Yan, tapos na sila. Thank you. Order 4 bucks. Thank you. Okay na po. Salamat. Sensira, nagkasabay lang kayo. Thank you. Thank you po. Order 2 liempo. Ang customer natin is yung gusto niya is manasado yung isa. Yung isa is well done. Napaka-solid.
Okay na to. May ketchup.
Okay na po. Meron na po. Thank you. Order ulit liempo. For take out. For take out yan liempo natin, no? Thank you po. Liempo again.
Dali na. Pa-plastic na lang.
Hello, hello. May order tayo sisig. For take out. Sisig! Sisig, oh. Yan, pang. Thank you. May order tayo liempo. Salamat for take out. Thank you. Thank you. Timpla coffee. Kagatas, oh. Thank you. Hello, hello. May order tayo. Isang hotdog. Yan. Chop. Solid. Sarap. Okay. Thank you.
Plastic ya.
Order tayo. Isang hotdog. 2 hotdog. Isa may egg. Isa wala. Thank you.
Wow.
Isang coke. May order tayo, hotdog. For take out, napaka-solid. Thank you for ordering. Only 59 pesos. Meron na lang ganitong napaka-solid. Thank you. Lapit lang naman to eh. May kasabay ba to? Ito po. Thank you. Sirang ko kaya? Okay, thank you. Good evening, good evening. May order tayo. 2 hot silog. Solid, no?
Baby.
Yun, oh. Lagyan pa ng ketchup, oh.
Sarap.
Wow. Hapunan na yan. Hapunan na.
Hapunan na kasi iba man yung mga...
Hello, hello. May order tayo liempo. Hello, hello. Yan, for take out. Saka may order tayo isang Spanish latte. Yan, oh. Spanish latte, tsaka isang liempo. Napaka-solid. Thank you. For take out.